everyone. I am back as promised, and today the very interesting session just started as the ramp walk. We have our official trainer for the ramp walk over here, Mr. Joseph, and with his assistant model over here, and he's taking the session in a real amazing way. It's a practical session but online, and all our contestants over here watching it, and it's going crazy over here. They are just enjoying it. So I'll just flip the camera for all of you so that you can also see and learn a little from this session.
Okay, so the next thing, the first main thing what you're going to do, you are going to make a T pose. That is the most and the simple pose of fashion ramp modeling. Your T pose. Okay, T pose बहुत important है. आप लोग को कभी भी आप अंदर आओगे बाहर जाओगे, if you're gonna get inside, if you're gonna walk, you should be using your T pose. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We are going to keep our base leg like this. Okay. What is your base leg? You can decide what's your base leg. Which side you want to walk. Which leg you want to start with the walk. Okay. So T pose के लिए मेरा ये base leg है right leg. I'm keeping my right leg. Okay. So right leg straight. This side हम लोग straight एकदम होना चाहिए. This side. इधर straight नहीं. This side your leg should be straight. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to keep our leg, second leg like this. Yeah, very good. I hope everybody can see practice legs. So it's like this. Yes.
So could you please show your legs as well? They are not fully visible. Can you just
Priyanka, ma'am's leg is visible. Please request you guys do not unmute right now. मैम का leg देखो, मैम का leg दिख रहा है, उससे copy करो. Do not interrupt अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए, okay? Just listen to him.
Yeah. I'll just clarify. You just need to look at her leg, okay? She's the demonstration over here. She's doing the walk and she's doing how to keep the ball. So I just watch her how she's doing. I just explain what you want. Okay. So we are going to keep her legs like this, straight. Okay. Now just keep your legs over here. Yeah, very good. I hope everybody can see. Now your leg should be a little bit curved, not straight. सीधा नहीं रहना चाहिए, थोड़ा curve position में रहना चाहिए. इतना तो curve रहना चाहिए अपना leg. Okay. So you can see how she has kept his leg, her leg. So fine. We are just going to now the first thing. Two things you need to just follow or just remember this thing while you are on ramp. You are not going to cover your body. आप लोग अपना body को cover नहीं करेंगे. Okay, you are not going to cover your body. क्योंकि ये जो है, this is your body shape. Girls का body shape कहाँ आता है? यहाँ से. This is your body shape. ठीक है? So you are not going to cover. मतलब आप यहाँ से हाथ रखोगे तो आपका पूरा ये cover होगा. It's only cover. So what we are going to do? We are just going to move with the another hand. Yes, very good. Now we are just going to support it and another hand. तो आगे वाले हाथ हम क्या करेंगे? Just going to drop it here. Yeah, perfect. Now just push your body from the back. थोड़ा push करने का अपना body को back. Yeah. Now the first one is now we are going to change off. I hope everybody got it. So this is the first posture. Whenever you enter onto the stage, you are going to walk. You just walk inside and be on this posture. This is the first one you need to remember. So just listen, everybody. थोड़ा आराम से आप लोग को आ जाए. I know everybody knows to walk, but if we have प्राइज, सबको walk आता है, अच्छा walk आता है. पर हम लोग प्राइज कहाँ जीते हैं? जब एक जन का आपसे अच्छा walk हो. आपसे अच्छा एक जन का walk क्यों होता है? क्योंकि she or he has a perfect walk. Okay, that's the reason one is winning, one is losing. It's okay. You can improve, you can start, you can learn, you can improve yourself. Okay, so let's just do it once again. So this is the first T posture. You're getting back, you're entering into the ramp, and you're just taking your posture up. Very good. So I hope everybody is clear and visible to everyone. Now the second thing is your look. So what are you gonna look? How are you gonna look? Whom you gonna say? Whom you gonna look while you are entering into the stage? Okay, so we have one mission. Okay, so there are so many people sitting around you. There are so many people. You have a camera in front of you. So where are you gonna look? Okay, your look should be exactly straight to your eyes. नॉट अगर आपका कैमरा यहाँ पे तो आपका लुक यहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए. Your face should be up and your look should be straight towards your eye. आपका आँख कहाँ जाके देखे सीधा, so your look should be exactly same straight आपको दिखना चाहिए. So I hope everybody got. तो यहाँ से एंट्री करते वक्त भी your look should be towards the audience and straight. Okay, you're entering onto the stage and you're getting a pose. Yeah, very good. Now I hope everybody got it. I'm squeezing my. Yes, I just got it and I just. आप लोग either यहाँ पे रख सकते हो, नहीं तो यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. It depends upon you how you're gonna do. Now you're going to start the walk. Okay, so you have the first pose over here. Now you're going to start the walk. So how are you going to start the walk?
Sir, sorry to interrupt. When we are entering the stage, from the left or the right side, so do we have to look straight towards the camera or?
No. It's not camera. It's not camera you are looking at. You are looking straight to the point where you can see your straight vision, not down, not up, not look at the camera. Camera अगर आपके सामने नहीं है तो आपको कैमरा देखने के फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि अपना आई हम लोग कभी भी वॉक करेंगे, हमारा आई हमको नहीं पता चलेगा हम कहाँ देख रहे हैं, पर सामने वाले बैठे उनको पता चल जाता है कि हम लोग कहाँ देख रहे हैं. हाउ वी गोना लुक, वेयर वी आर लुकिंग, तो ये सब सामने वाले को पता चल जाता है. तो हम स्ट्रेट हमारा ना आई सामने रखें. देयर इज पेजेंट और ब्यूटी पेजेंट में एक छोटा सा फर्क है, मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ, वो चीज बाद में समझा देता हूँ. तो ब्यूटी पेजेंट में अपना पूरा बॉडी का ब्यूटी पेजेंट मतलब ब्यूटी, आपको ब्यूटी दिखाना होगा. तो यू कैन यूज योर फ्री थिंग, आपको जो जितना मर्जी आए उतना वॉक कर सकते हो, जितना जैसे करना वैसे वॉक कर सकते हो अपॉन योर ब्यूटी. नाउ मॉडलिंग और इसमें एक छोटा सा फर्क यहाँ है. तो वी नीड टू गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द अपना जो कपड़ा है, अपना जो कॉस्ट्यूम अपना अटायर है, उसके ऊपर अपने को वॉक करना. तो आई विल गेट इनटू दैट लेटर. So I just go through the walk first. After that, we will go. Okay. So while we are entering, so जिसने भी मेरे को डाउट पूछा, while we are entering, your face should be this side. ठीक है? You're entering onto the stage, and you're getting a pose done. Yeah. So your face should be exactly straight. Now the next thing, not straight your eyes. Okay. ध्यान रखना, straight your eyes दोनों eyes आपका straight सीधा रहेगा, शायद eyes नीचे चला जाएगा, तो भी दिख जाएगा. आपका eyes मैटर करते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करते हैं eyes. How we gonna interact with the judges, with the audience and your. Okay, so you should look straight. Your eyes should be straight. Now we are going to start the walk. Now हमेशा आप लोग पीछे वाले लेग से वॉक चालू नहीं करेंगे. Okay, मेरे को यहाँ से मेरा वॉक चालू करने के लिए इसको कवर करके जाना पड़ता. So we are not going to cover it. Okay, we are going to do that simple. We are just going to start with this leg. Whichever leg you have in front, you are going to start with that. I am getting a posture like this. I have my right leg in front, then I am going to start with my right leg. If I have my left leg over here, then I am going to start with my left leg. Okay, so how it's going to work? It's like simple. It is going to start the walk. Yeah. Now there is nothing like you should walk like cross. इसमें ऐसा जरूरी नहीं आपको क्रॉस वॉक करना है. ठीक है? यू नीड टू टेक अ लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है? वी आर यूजिंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. एक लेग का लाइनिंग स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. मतलब एक लेग, तो उसके सामने दूसरा लेग, फिर उसके सामने तीसरा लेग, ऐसे दिस इज योर वॉक. या यू कैन सी हाउ वॉकिंग. या वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज योर वॉक. या फाइन. सो आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. Not don't overcross your leg. आपका बाउंस बहुत हो जाता है. आप लोग ओवरक्रॉस करते हैं तो बाउंस बहुत हो जाता है. So we are not going to do that. We are just going to take a line, be in a line, and then you are going to walk. Yes, that will show it to you. Yes, you can see her walking. Which is very good. I can see. Now, if you have your walk inside that, तो आप लोग को अपना पता है कि मेरा लेग क्रॉस करते तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Then you can go for that. That is not a problem. But ज्यादा बाउंस की वॉक हम नहीं करते. You can twist your कमर twist कर सकते हैं. But we can't bounce. Bounce हम नहीं करेंगे. तो ध्यान रखना, अपने बाउंस नहीं करेंगे. We'll just go straight and just that. Now we are completing with the straight look. enter to the stage. Yes. After that, we are going to do a posture. Then you are going to walk. Then you are going to stop it. Yes. Now we have the stop position. Okay. Now, can you give it that? Yeah. They want to yes. 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 Thank you. Yeah. Fine. So she has that posture over here. Okay. So अब उसने अभी चालू कहाँ से किया था? प्राची मैम ने अभी चालू कहाँ से किया था? लेफ्ट लेग से चालू किया. Now if you are giving a pose, you should focus on your right side. Okay. So remember, अगर आपने लेफ्ट साइड से चालू किया तो ऑलरेडी आपका लेफ्ट पोस्चर सामने आ गया. ठीक है, आपको ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट पोस्चर सबने देख लिया. So we are going to start and we are just going to change our posture and show our left side posture. Yeah, very good. Now here is the main thing. You have a lot of variety of poses over here. You can do whatever you want, but remember one thing: it should not look awkward or over. Okay. Now I'll show you 1, 2, 3 poses. You can just adapt it. You can just learn it and use it wherever you want. So for the first piece, you're just going to hold your hips. Now hips or कमर, ये दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. While we are doing your hips and your hips and your कमर पता ना वो यहाँ पे आता जो. And we have a very good now we can squeeze it. जितना हो सके अपना अंदर squeeze करना है. You can see my fingers. I'm just squeezing my yes. अभी girls you can squeeze. आपको जितना जिसका पेट है वो squeeze मत करना, वो पेट बाहर रखे. जिसका नहीं है, you can squeeze your hands like this and you can give a very bold posture like one and then change करते वक्त अपने पीछे जाए. It's like first squeeze it down, then change your hand. I hope everybody got it. So I hope children, I hope everybody got it, what you have learned. You have first, yes, anybody have any doubt?
Yes sir.
Yeah, please ask.
सर वो जो स्टार्टिंग में वो बता दीजिए जिससे वो लेग्स को कैसे रखना वो थोड़ा डाउट है.
Thank you guys. So that was a long live where I was even keeping quiet and so that you guys can hear sir and all our contestants their questions, and I hope it went well and I hope you liked it. You learned something out of it. So yes, see you soon. I'll come back live again in some time. Thank you. Bye bye.